honestly, this is the whole reason why I stopped getting like ready for videos. Hey rainicorns, how are you? And bird dogs in this video. Hi. I don't mean to come with you with this type of energy, but like I'm putting effort into how I look a little bit for this video. Say hey MJ, yeah, good job. My hair looks fine. It looks okay like this. I don't like how it looks, and that's why I had to go to completely not caring, because if I put in effort, I'd have to get it perfect looking. No. So we're just going to a ponytail. NJ, can you please stop it? Like, he was not, I swear you guys, he was not all like this until I turned the camera on, and that's exactly why I had the strategy I'm going to do for today. He's going in the bathroom when I do the important part. So here I have my microphone, and I'm going to be recording my commercial today. Now, a few of you may know I tried to put on a commercial last year, and it sucked because, like, I had the materials and most of the things that I needed. It was just getting people into one area at one time was going to be quite difficult for me, and at the time. So I'm just going to do everything later in this year instead of trying to cram it in. Well, I'm glad I didn't try to cram it in 2019, because for one thing it was terrible, the year itself, but it was also the fact that it would have been too much at the time. I had too much going on, and it just wasn't going to be a good time. So right now I'm actually recording here it is. I'm recording the commercial for RealTalkk Real Estate. This is for the 6-figure bird dog system. This is specifically for wholesalers, so I'm probably going to title this video, Are You a Real Estate Wholesaler? It's for people who have closed a few deals. So for one, you already know how the process goes. There's no questions about what a HUD document is. There's no questions about a title attorney. There's no basic questions. I created RealTalkk Real Estate for those questions to be asked, and if you're a wholesaler, you just shouldn't have certain questions anymore. So I have also created a mastermind group on Facebook, and with that, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to, I might just have the platform here and on Facebook. So I'm not sure how I'm going to structure that, because there is a way on YouTube to have members join on your Facebook page. I just don't want to have a bunch of pages and like have a Patreon and all that stuff. I just don't feel like it. I'd rather stick to what I already know, along with the product I have. If I didn't have a product that I'm releasing to you all, I probably would consider doing something like Patreon and stuff just to get you all my content. But I'm pretty much done making a bunch of content for RealTalkk Real Estate. This is why for one thing, I took a break, because a lot of the content that I already made is going to be refurbished and made into better quality videos throughout probably the next, I'm 22 now, so I plan to kind of retire from RealTalkk Real Estate by the time I'm 25 years old. So honestly, to be completely honest, I don't know if I'm going to sell the group or not, or sell the like brand, the Instagram page and the Facebook page and all that stuff. I really don't know what I'm going to do by the time I turn 25. I know for a fact that I'm releasing this product, so by that time, you know, it won't be a thing of me trying to make money off of RealTalkk Real Estate, and it's not even that right now. I just feel like RealTalkk Real Estate deserves something else besides what I've already given it for the past 3 years. So the RealTalkk experts, that's already been a thing. Then I recommended Robert Kiyosaki's his stuff, because it was like, first of all, Robert Kiyosaki is very reputable anyway. He's just an educated guy in real estate. Like, I mean, honestly, if you don't know about Rich Dad Poor Dad, I mean, how are you even in real estate in America, you know? So I went ahead and just like suggested his courses and stuff instead of me trying to remake the RealTalkk experts, because the thing is, it's not that much to being a bird dog. It really isn't. It's the step below wholesaling. And so yeah, this is like the next step after you've already closed a few deals. I'm not going to show you how to. There's plenty of courses on how to become a wholesaler and the first steps to take. But if you were a bird dog first, transitioning into a wholesaler should have been no problem. But even if it was, you know, there's plenty of coaches and gurus, well, not gurus, courses, coaches, and mentors out there to help you get to the next step. So right now, I'm actually going to start recording the script that I have. And the thing is, like, I watch a lot of videos on not necessarily how to, what's it called? I mean, basically how to sell stuff. And I've also been sold a lot of things throughout my years being an entrepreneur. So I know how to do this type of stuff. I just chose not to in the beginning. Because for me, it wasn't for the money in the beginning. Now, it's still not for the money, but this is a higher price point. So I would not be able to bootleg it the way that I was before. I have to bring it with this type of quality in order to sell this particular type of product. So, you guys get to listen to my ad. Hey, MJ. Can you play with your blocks over there? Like, quite honestly, I was going to take him out of here, but he is actually being pretty quiet. I just don't know if the background noise will show up, but it shouldn't. I'll go ahead and try and listen to it. Are you a real estate wholesaler looking for like-minded wealth builders? Our mastermind is the place for you. This mastermind group is full of like-minded wholesalers who want to make at least 6 figures in their business. Mastermind is the place for you. This mastermind group is full of like-minded wholesalers who want to make at least 6 figures in their business. Okay, so I definitely don't want to have MJ in there. I can hear that a little too well, so hold on. Okay, so I'm going to be really, really quick with this. Alright. Are you a real estate wholesaler looking for like-minded wealth builders? Our mastermind is the place for you. This mastermind group is full of like-minded wholesalers who want to make at least 6 figures in their business. In our mastermind, we discuss the 6-figure bird dog system for wholesalers. This is a guide written for local investors who want consistent, unsaturated leads. You may want to get leads that other investors don't have access to. Maybe you want to stop buying lists and using VAs. We know that your ultimate goal is freedom. More free time, freeing your workload, and creating a more free schedule. Click the link on this video to be directed to this amazing group. He did the little part that I did a second ago. Okay, I know I didn't mess up, so I'm not gonna, let me just listen to the beginning part. Are you a real estate wholesaler looking for like-minded wealth builders? Our mastermind is the place. Okay, that's fine, cool. I made 2 different ads and I'm going to run them against 2 different audiences. Are you a real estate wholesaler looking to scale their business to 6 figures? We have the perfect strategy for you. Our mastermind discusses the 6-figure bird dog system for wholesalers. It guides you on how to have an effective team for consistent leads. Master a 6-figure income business within a year. Create a scalable income. You get access to our mastermind to engage with like-minded individuals who ask questions. You could also JV with members of the group. Click the link in this video to get your guide to 6 figures. That was just in time. Okay. I'm honestly sorry about that. I had put him away for a minute, and I used that time to be able to record. So now we're going to listen to both of them all the way through. I know I messed up on that second one, but that was because I felt him coming. But regardless, it's okay. So the first one is 43 seconds and the next one is 32 seconds. So roughly 40 and 30 seconds. Mastermind, I figure Mastermind one should have been longer anyway. I think I added 1 or 2 extra lines in there. But if you're looking for a mastermind, you're going to pay more attention anyway. If you're looking for 6 figures, you're going to pay attention when somebody mentions 6 figures. So let's go ahead and listen. Are you a real estate wholesaler looking for like-minded wealth builders? Our mastermind is the place for you. This mastermind group is full of like-minded wholesalers who want to make at least 6 figures in their business. In our mastermind, we discuss the 6-figure bird dog system for wholesalers. This is a guide written for local investors who want consistent, unsaturated leads. You may want to get leads that other investors don't have access to. Maybe you want to stop buying lists and using VAs. We know that your ultimate goal is freedom. More free time, freeing your workload, and creating a more free schedule. Click the link on this video to be directed to this amazing group. Amazing group. It sounded like a robot at the end, but that's fine. It'll kind of sound like a robot because like you'll see it. I'll probably edit this video so you guys can see like what the whole thing looks like. Are you a real estate wholesaler looking for like-minded wealth builders? Our mastermind is the place for you. This mastermind group is full of like-minded wholesalers who want to make at least 6 figures in their business. In our mastermind, we discuss the 6-figure bird dog system for wholesalers. This is a guide written for local investors who want consistent, unsaturated leads. You may want to get leads that other investors don't have access to. Maybe you want to stop buying lists and using VAs. We know that your ultimate goal is freedom. More free time, freeing your workload, and creating a more free schedule. Click the link on this video to be directed to this amazing group. But here's the next one. Are you a real estate wholesaler looking to scale their business to 6 figures? We have the perfect strategy for you. Our mastermind discusses the 6-figure bird dog system for wholesalers. It guides you on how to have an effective team for consistent leads. Master a 6-figure income business within a year. Create a scalable income. You get access to our mastermind to engage with like-minded individuals who ask questions. You could also JV with members of the group. Click the link in this video to get your guide to 6 figures. Yes, that ending. Okay. Are you a real estate wholesaler looking to scale their business to 6 figures? We have the perfect strategy for you. Our mastermind discusses the 6-figure bird dog system for wholesalers. It guides you on how to have an effective team for consistent leads. Master a 6-figure income business within a year. Create a scalable income. You get access to our mastermind to engage with like-minded individuals who ask questions. You could also JV with members of the group. Click the link in this video to get your guide to 6 figures. I'm so glad it stopped like right on time. Alright, so those both sound fine. I know I messed up, but as you guys will see later, it's basically like picture cards that it's gonna look like I'm reading off of a PowerPoint. And so that's the whole point of it. I got those 2 recordings. Cool. So now I'm going to edit those videos. Yeah, and I really wanted you guys to have a heads up on what's coming, or maybe this video might be coming later. I really don't know, because I'm editing this video that I'm recording right here. So it might take a while before it gets out, but it just depends on, you know, what's going on. I don't know. A lot of stuff goes on. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and edit these little commercials, and I will be posting them both in wholesalerkk Real Estate sometime soon. And remember, this is for wholesalers, so if you haven't closed a deal yet, this is not something I'm pushing to you. For one reason, it is pretty expensive, and so if you're looking for bird dog strategies, or if you do want to go ahead and go into the wholesaler system, I mean, that's fine. It's just this is about scaling a business, so this isn't going to teach you how to wholesale a deal. So I just want that distinction to be like very, very clear. I'm not going to teach you how to wholesale. I'm just going to teach you how to have a bird dog team. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like that little sneak peek or like behind the scenes of me recording my commercial. Then like I said in the previous video, this whole thing is going to be documented because I'm revealing something at the end that I want to share with you all, but at the same time I want to do it very, very carefully because, like, you know, I'm planning this around my life as well. Like, this project is not just going to be a project for bird dog real estate. This is also going to affect my current situation a lot as well, and I want to get the whole thing documented, and I think that will be awesome to look back on and see in the future. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Bye, rainicorns and bird dogs.